Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I am finally back in Oregon. As you can see, I'm finally back in my shop. As some of you guys know, if you follow my Instagram, I moved to Reno for school, Reno, Nevada. I don't have a shop there, so I came home to do some bike work. I got 2 new bikes. So we're gonna be setting back up the shop. As you can see, it's quite a mess. Parents went kind of crazy with that. I'll be cleaning the vapor blaster and doing some parts with that, as well as stripping these 2 new bikes. So that's the main videos today. I'm going to be stripping this 2020 YZ250 and this 2005 KX250. This is the next main build right here. This is a personal bike. I'm going to do some cool stuff to it, and then probably end up swapping it out for something else, but I'm going to make some sweet content with it first. So yeah, let's get straight to it.